It's sometime in the 21st century. It so happens that commerce took a whole different direction from what it had been in the 20th and 19th centuries. And you find that, for example, the ideas of embedding or augmenting corporeal universes with virtual or artificial phenomena became a very intimate part of commerce. And if we get to explore, we'll find that some of the biggest acts, some of the biggest proponents and explorers of these adventures were especially in some of the most tricky places or parts of the world. Yes, the Equatorial 256 area happened to be one lucky place where we first saw some of these things come to life, and I would encourage you exploring to join us as we look at what the home commerce stories in the 21st century happen to have originated from. Yes, so there we have a highway in one of the neighborhoods of Lenuza Bites, a leading internet portal for exploring and interacting with commerce virtually, but as well as physically, artificial virtual robots, and etc. Yes, we first explored from there, and yes, it would be very great to get to know more about how all this played out, and who are the interesting entities behind this and all that. And check you out. Stay, of course, subscribed and tuned in as we explore more of what the modern internet, technology, information, automatons, and etc. has done to transform and define the character of things and life. Yes, now WL signing off. Catch you guys next time.